This deep conditioner will make your hair so strong, will give your hair more moisture, hydration. It will increase your hair elasticity, which will make it resist breakage and help you grow fuller, thicker, and longer hair. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. It is wash day and we are starting with a hair mask today, and I just wanted to take you guys along with the process of how I apply this hair mask and what are the benefits for your hair. If you do want to grow fuller, thicker, longer hair, you do need to incorporate deep conditioning into your regimen because they help so much into strengthening your hair, give your hair more elasticity, and give your hair that moisture that it needs to retain length and stop breakage. To start off, I'm gonna start preparing this hair mask. I am using one whole carrot today. Carrot is full of vitamin A, vitamin E. Both of these vitamins helps improve blood circulation into your scalp and help stimulate your hair follicles, which will help you accelerate your hair growth journey. Once your carrot is all cut up, I'm going to put it in a pan and then I'm going to take this to a boil. I'm adding about 1 cup of water and I'm going to let this boil until it cooks a little softer. Once my carrot is ready, I am going to transfer this into a blender, and the next thing I am adding is a banana. I am going to add 1 whole banana. Banana is rich in potassium, which helps improve blood circulation and delivers essential nutrient to your hair follicles. And to add that boost of moisture and hydration, I am adding aloe vera gel. This is my homemade aloe vera gel. You can find a video of this in my channel. And the next thing I am adding is my carrot and papaya oil. And once you add all these ingredients, all you need to do is just put this into a smoothie. It has to be nice and creamy. Once you're done blending this, it's time to drain it. You want to drain this as much as possible. You don't want any particles sticking up into your hair. I'm using my my wig cap. You can use a stocking socks or whatever, cheesecloth, whatever you have, but you need to drain this and get the cream as smooth as possible before you apply it to your hair.
Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
So as you can see, I did this process 2 times just because I just want it to be as smooth as possible. Once you're done, you will have something like this, and it is time to apply. And this is my daughter's hair. It has been on a protective style for the past weeks, and it's time to give it some life and some rejuvenation. So we are going to go ahead and apply this conditioner into her hair. I wanted to mention that this can be applied before or after shampoo. Today I am doing this application before shampoo, but it can always be applied after shampoo. So if you're applying this before you shampoo, you just go ahead and apply it, leave it for at least minimum that I do it is 1 hour under a plastic cap, or a heat hoodie, whatever, and then you go ahead and shampoo, condition your hair, and that will be how you would do it before shampoo. If you would do this after shampoo, you shampoo your hair and then you will apply this, and after you leave it to deep condition, then you will go ahead and just rinse out your hair and style as usual. And if you have not subscribed yet, this is the perfect time to hit on that subscribe button. Join my family while we are applying this deep conditioner. It is just a great way to tell me that you are enjoying this video so far. So go ahead and hit on that subscribe button and hit on the notification as well while we are continuing on watching this video.
Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world.
So this is about an hour and a half later, and I went ahead and I shampooed and conditioned my daughter's hair. The next thing I'm about to do is to blow out her hair. It's just easier for me and her when her hair is stretched out. I am using a heat protectant. I do recommend you use a heat protectant whenever you want to use heat on your hair. It just helps with lower the damage that it would do to your hair. Make sure you don't use the heat on a too high of a percentage, just because a higher heat can damage and alter your curls. So I am using this on a medium heat, and I'm just gonna go ahead and brush out her hair until it's stretched out, and that is pretty much all I'm doing.
But we'll see it through.
So whether it is your first time here or you are a returning viewer and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for, guys? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys being here. It really shows me that you appreciate my videos, and it encourages me to do more videos like this for you guys. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, join the family. I do DIY videos on this channel on hair, skin, and I also share some hairstyles with you guys on this channel. So go ahead and check out my channel and join my family. So her hair is pretty much blown out. It is ready to the next step of styling it, and it will make it way easier for her and for me to move on into that next step. I really appreciate you guys being here. Don't forget to share, like, comment below, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.